Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Mini Cooper battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10 mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a new battery. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective glasses and gloves. Make sure your Mini Cooper is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before you begin. This ensures a safe working environment and prevents accidental electrical shorts. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Depending on your Mini Cooper model, the battery is typically found in the trunk or sometimes under the hood. Always disconnect the negative terminal first. This is crucial for safety. Use your 10 mm wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the cable. Next, disconnect the positive terminal, and finally, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Before placing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and terminals thoroughly. This ensures a good connection and prevents corrosion. Carefully position the new battery in the tray and secure it with the hold-down clamp. Remember, when connecting, always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. You're almost done. Double-check that all connections are tight and the new battery is securely in place. Give it a gentle wiggle to confirm stability. Now, start your Mini Cooper to ensure everything is working correctly. You might need to reset some electronic settings like your radio or clock. For other great deals and to grab a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener, check the description below. It's a small touch that makes a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.